Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fried oysters. Let's begin. We have here close to 1 pound of oysters and it's already been washed. Once you wash the oysters, make sure to put a paper towel under it so you can remove some of the moisture. And we're just going to pat it down with another paper towel to remove any of the extra moisture. There you go. We're going to season the oysters with some Old Bay seasoning. There we go. We're going to flip it over and do the other side. Season the other side of the oyster. Next, we'll need a half a cup of all-purpose flour. There we go. We have a half cup of all-purpose flour. We'll need 1 egg. Beat the egg. Looking good. We're going to put that to the side. We'll need around 1.5 cup of Panko breadcrumbs. Pouring it into a cup. That's 1.5 cup of Panko breadcrumbs. For the Panko breadcrumbs, we're going to season it with 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Stir the seasoning in with the Panko breadcrumbs. Looking good. We're going to put that to the side. We're going to take an oyster and dip it into the all-purpose flour. Dip it into the egg. And dip it into the Panko breadcrumbs. Looking good. Looks like we'll need another egg to finish up the remaining oysters. So that'll be a total of 2 eggs. There we go. Last one. Next, we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the oysters. We're going to turn it over, do the same thing. We flip them all over, and now we're just going to spray some cooking oil onto the other side. This is what it looks like before we put it into the air fryer. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to preheat it to 350 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer has been preheated to 350 degrees. And now let's put in the oysters. There we go. For this video, we'll be only cooking the first batch of oysters, and I'll cook the rest later. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to keep it to 350 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 4 minutes so far at 350 degrees. Let's flip them over. It's nice and crispy. There we go. We flip them all over. Make sure they're spread out a little bit. And now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's above 145 degrees, and we're set. For our first batch of oysters, we'll be using some tartar sauce, or you can use any dipping sauce you like. There you go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fried oysters. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.